At the end of the day, we have put a lot of effort into the process of software development, from creating documents to coding a prototype software. We don't want to repeat the same process again if somehow your PC got crashed and all your work have been lost. In addition, all developers are doing their own pieces of work in a big project. It is imperative to combine all these works in a well-organized fashion. We usually put all the documents and source code in a source code repository or a special data structure that can host various file types and versioning your source codes. It is located in company server or cloud, so you don't need to worry about rewriting your efforts. You should have a good habit of saving all of your work at least once a day. It could be at midday or at the end of the day or at whenever you think you have made a lot of effort into it. In fact, we don't call this process a file backup but a checking source code because when you check into the repository, it automatically manages and adds versions to your documents. So nothing is overwritten because you can retrieve a specific version from the repository when you need it. On the other hand, checkout is a process of making a copy of files that you are interested from the repository server to your local PC, while the repository system marks it with a checkout status, so it prevents other team members from checking out again. Nevertheless, most of these repository software or the version control systems allow you to perform a merge of two versions of the same document if it found a conflict. Besides saving your source code into the version control system, you should ask company for another secure network storage just for temporary backing up your files. In case of unforeseen events such as power outage, file drill, or a hiccup in the repository system. However, for security reasons, never put your source file in any unsecure locations.